Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera portrait mode not working in iOS 16. So friends, the first and easiest method is to restart your iPhone. For that you need to hold down the volume up and power button for a while. Now you will see emergency call and slide to power off. You have to slide to power off. After doing so, your iPhone will shut down. After turning off the iPhone, press and hold the power button to restart your device. So friends, this was the first and easiest way to fix portrait mode. Now let's move on to the second method. For that, open the settings, scroll down and tap General, tap on Software Update. Before updating the iPhone, make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. If your iPhone is showing new iOS version here, then you have to install it in your iPhone. So friends, if the portrait option doesn't work even after updating the software, then the third and last solution is to install a third-party app from the App Store on your iPhone. You will find many apps easily.